Big tip is don't grab the soldering iron like that, because I did that last time. So the manual is all in, looks like French or something. Hey guys, Gareth here, Saturday morning. Weather's a bit crummy to go flying, so I decided I'm going to put a HOOTER in. I've always wanted to do it, but when Ted and I were hangar mates, he said he'd divorce me if I ever put the HOOTER in. I had some other HOOTERs that didn't work too well, so anyway, we decided I got some proper ones. Let's go. This is what came out. The quality is not too great. I bought it off Takealot, the same place I bought the other one, or the ones that I'm going to put in now. Takealot is like the South African version of Amazon before Amazon gets here. So Amazon's coming to South Africa. But anyway, this is what we have. So anyway, let's carry on. So should be easy enough if it's in English, which it's not. Okay, so the manual is all in, looks like French or something. Connect plus of battery to plus of battery to plus of battery.
And he's ready, little kitten. He's surprised to see you sitting all alone. I can't get down without you. There's just something about that kung fu. You see my eyes, you still wanna ride through the lows. Put your parachute on. Put your parachute on.
When you're working with a heat gun on a fabric aircraft, just be aware that you don't get too close to the covering, because the covering has a specific heat at where it like cures, and if it goes past that, then like it becomes floppy and loses all its integrity. So something I've learned, you know, working with fabric aircraft and that kind of thing. Anyway, so I just probably need to hook it up, figure out what's negative and positive, and then give it a test. So let's see. Okay, that's one, so we know that one works. This one's not working, so then that would mean it's like that. Why is this one not working? The challenge number one is I can't get either one works or the other one works. The instruction manual is French. I have no idea. The drawings are like a totally different HOOTER. Okay, so I can't figure out what's going on. Okay, so I figured it out. I don't think I pushed the plugs in correctly, so check this out. That's pretty crazy. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna finish up and yeah, let's take it from there.
Tell me what you said. Tell me what you said. I've been drunk in bed trying ever to capture you.
Okay, so we're done with the HOOTER. Now I need to go and fly. So pretty much everything's done. Double check some stuff.
Okay, so it's a couple days later. Stellenbosch traffic echo Mike Yankee lining up and taking up 19. It'll be a right climb on route north 1500. Morning, Gareth. Morning. Okay, so let's see if the HOOTER works.
Right, this foot fully here. Battle map, summit slope, and 1,000 feet, roofing, and roofing, they'll make it, yeah.
That's so funny. People, the people don't know what to do. That's so funny. Okay, so obviously put the HOOTER in, and I don't know if it's but anyway, like this is what it sounds like. I don't know if you can hear it on the radio though. I can hear it on the radio. I can definitely hear like a beep beep. I don't know if it's loud enough though. So anyway, I'm heading back to Stellenbosch.
She said, holding a dead man's no comfort for love.
Stellenbosch traffic mark Alpha Papa Baltic cross extended center runway line for runway 19. We'll be falling in behind Sierra Mike Sierra on downwind. Mike Alpha Papa, got your visual. Sierra Mike Sierra. Aircraft on right and downwind is that Sierra Mike Sierra? This is Sierra Mike Sierra. Okay, wait, number 2 behind you. Sierra Mike Sierra is right base now for runway 19. Touch and go.
The smile on people.
Stellenbosch traffic mark Alpha Papa, right and down with runway 19 number 2.
It's like, what? And then they're like, oh. That is funny.
Okay, so back at the hangar at Stellenbosch, wasn't really a long flight, just cruised around. It's getting a little hot today. You know, I need to play airplane Tetris, quite a mission. I've had to move Dirk's plane and all kinds of things. There's 3 aircraft in the hangar, obviously, and to try and get them all to match is sometimes difficult if one of them changes. So anyway, I'm gonna try to get the planes in. I hope you enjoyed the video. I think you should put a HOOTER in your airplane. Thanks for watching.